just playing games. I know that's plastic cloud. Dance to the plastic beat. Another
I want to show you guys my outfit. Like, I don't know if it's visible or not. I am going out after so long. Like, I have not been to any places because of my exams. I'm going to Janpat today. So, yeah, let's get ready. I washed my hair today, so it looks a little crazy.
What the dog doing?
It's around 3, and that's why it is getting dark. Hi, so this is a voiceover segment as this vlog is little bit confusing and I had to give you guys some context. So me and my friends went to Janpat that day and I was super excited for the summer collection, but it was pretty disappointing. Nothing was new. I think it has yet to come. So I didn't shop that much. I just bought 2 kurtis and like a one pair of chumka, and I'm gonna show you guys that later. I have filmed like a proper haul of 3 things I bought. I didn't shop that much, and then we ended the night with some dinner at our regular place. We had butter chicken, some naan, and some drinks. I was happy at the end of the day because of the food, but yeah, that was it for the day. This is the haul. I bought these 2 kurtis, like this in blue color and another one is in green color. It has the corset back, but the only issue is with the neck because it has a weird shape. It is not properly square or round, but I think I can make it work. I was pretty sold with the corset back, obviously, and I got this pretty chumka. I really like it. It is little different from what I usually have. So yes, that's it for me.